Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the scene. Make sure the watch is on the charger and above 50%. This prevents shutdown mid-repair. Once charging, perform a force restart. Hold the digital crown and side button together for about 10 to 15 seconds until you see the Apple logo. Keep your paired iPhone close with Bluetooth enabled and iOS up to date, because once the watch boots, you'll need to check the connection and possibly trigger a restore or software update from the watch app on the phone. Once the watch shows signs of booting, open the watch app on your iPhone and go to General, then Reset. Choose Erase Apple Watch content and settings if the device responds. This often clears corrupt settings causing loops. If the watch remains stuck, place it on the charger and hold the digital crown plus side button until the recovery or restore screen appears. This triggers a deeper reset. After that, attempt to repair the watch to your iPhone and decide to restore from a backup or set up as new based on stability. Finish by updating Watch OS right after pairing. Updates often contain fixes for Bootloop bugs, so make sure to complete that process before adding third-party apps. If the watch continues to reboot, document when the issue started and any recent installs, then contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for hardware diagnosis. Boot loops can be firmware or hardware related. One key troubleshooting tip: restore from a backup only after a successful update. If problems return, set up as new to isolate corrupted data versus device faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.